Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on the Supernova again. We're just clearing out the windscreen washer bottle and then refilling it with, like, cleaning it up and then refilling it with nice windscreen wash and stuff. Anyway, thanks for watching. So we're taking out the old stagnant water out of the washer pump. We could try and unclip them, but they look like they're basically on there for life. So what we're going to do is we're going to use like a turkey baster like this and just suck it out, and then we shall put some clean liquid through it, and then we shall go from there. That's what it looks like inside. It looks a bit janky, if I'm honest with you. Slowly getting there. You see, boys, it's all clear and all empty. We shall clean it out, flush it through, and we'll put some new stuff in it now. There you go, it's empty. That took longer than I thought it would do, but they look a bit like welded on there, so I didn't really want to attempt it, so I just thought I'd get like a turkey baster and just go for it that way. Alright, so it's filled up with new stuff, so we're going to give the old washers a go and see what happens.
Oh, what, you want me to have it going?
Yeah, do the thing.
Oh.
Not have it going, but... Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, guys, if cabbage can, you can too.